Today, we're diving into the world of DIY car key programming with the keyless OBD programmer. This little device claims to save you time and money by allowing you to program a new remote or key for your Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, or Mercury right at home. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The process is straightforward. Plug the programmer into your vehicle's diagnostic port, and with a few simple steps, sync your new remote in a matter of minutes. The product comes with a QR code that leads you to a free phone app, which supposedly enhances the programming experience. I'll get into that in a bit. One thing to note is that this tool is a single-use device, meaning it's designed to program only one remote or key to your vehicle. That might be a limitation for some, but if you're looking to save a trip to the dealership, it could be a small price to pay. The product guides and documents include specific compatibility information for various years, makes, and models. Make sure to check these before making a purchase to ensure compatibility with your vehicle. Now, onto the app. The inclusion of a phone app seems promising, adding a tech-savvy touch to the DIY process. It's a convenient way to access additional features and information, making the overall programming experience more user-friendly. However, keep in mind that relying on a phone app for a critical task like key programming might not be everyone's cup of tea. In conclusion, the keyless OBD programmer offers a DIY solution for those who want to program a remote or key without the hassle of visiting a dealership. It's a time and money saver, but the single-use limitation and reliance on a phone app might be factors to consider. If you're up for the challenge and want to unlock your car's potential at home, this could be the tool for you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.